Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 19th March 2024. In this video, let us generate stocks near demand and supply zones and also the daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones. Even before the generation, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. So all the training videos I kept in a playlist supply demand zone price action course at our NeoStock YouTube channel. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. Please click the link, you will get into this page. Then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel, it will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's generate stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. And let's start with yearly time frame, because the last 2 days we didn't find any zones near yearly and half yearly. Let us verify today. For changing the time frame to yearly, let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. So we didn't have any zones. For yearly time frame, let us identify the stocks near yearly supply zone. So no stocks are available. Then half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. So no stocks. Half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. So here also we didn't find any stocks. Now I am changing the time frame to quarterly. Let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. So only one stock is filtered. See, I'll be giving you only few seconds time and then move on to the next report. If you want to study the parameters of this particular stock, please pause the video. Once you study or based on these parameters, you can even draw the zones in the charts. After that, you can proceed with the video. So let me go back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. So currently these 4 stocks are near to the quarterly supply zone. So I am going back, changing the time frame to monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. So these 5 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. These 4 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to weekly. Let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. These 13 stocks are near weekly demand zone. So going back, for weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. These 5 stocks are near weekly supply zone. So going back, changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So 9 stocks are filtered. For daily and 75 minutes, we have to identify high liquidity zones. So let us identify daily high demand zone, high liquidity demand zones. We have Arvindo Pharma. This is having high liquidity zone, already tested 3 times. So you need to identify a fine-tuned fresh 5-minute zone to get a trade. If it is not a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone, at least that should be a high liquidity zone. 5 minutes high liquidity zone to take multiple tests. But in general, we look for a fresh high liquidity, a fresh fine-tuned fresh 5-minute zone. We have one more stock, Havels. This is a fresh zone. So not only you need to look for a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone, you should also look for the quality of the zone. If the price structures are not good, if the order flows are not good, the zone will be violated. You already learned how a zone will be violated. In your training videos, I explained at lesson 16. So there is one more REC Limited. This is already tested 4 times and 5 rejections from this zone. If you find a fresh fine-tuned 5 minutes zone, you can take a trade. So we have identified 3 high liquidity demand zones, 3 high liquidity daily demand zones from this list. Okay, now let's go back. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks which are near daily supply zone. So 8 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity zones from this list. Idea again it came, but we don't plan a trade in Idea because the structures are not good. This is the stock we keep on getting for the last 3 days. JSW Steel, today we did not get the trade. Once again it is listed. We already fine-tuned this zone that you can watch from today's HLQ zone analysis video, but that will be coming a little late tonight. Next one is SRF. This is already tested 2 times, 5 rejections. So you need to look for a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone to take a trade in this zone. So total we have identified 3 high liquidity supply zones from this list. Now let's go back, changing the time frame to 125 minutes, and let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. So this is the filtered list. Total 19 stocks are filtered. So let me go back for 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So these 7 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So these 15 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity zones from this list. The 75 minutes high liquidity demand zones from this list. Nifty Mid Cap Select is a high liquidity zone. So this is indices, tradable indices. It is available in F&O list, Nifty Mid Cap Select. So any other high liquidity, this is a low priority, we don't choose. Naukri is pierced, we don't take pierced. Pierced zones are invalid zones. And the last one is Z Limited. This is also a high liquidity zone, already having 3 rejections from this zone. So these are the high liquidity demand zones, 75 minutes demand zones from this list. Now let's go back. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. 5 stocks are filtered. Let us find any high liquidity supply zones. So we don't have any high liquidity 75 minute supply zones from this list. So let's go back, changing the time frame to 25 minutes, and let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. These 6 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back, For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. These 3 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. Let me change the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. These 6 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. These 11 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. These 7 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. These 12 stocks are filtered. So this is the complete list of stocks near demand and supply zones. Now I will be generating stop loss buffers. Stop buffers for all the stocks for our reference purpose. You have already learned this concept in lesson 19. So we calculate stop buffers based on daily ATR as I explained you. So this is the complete list. So this column indicates the stock code, next the date, and the last traded price, and this is the daily ATR, and our software automatically calculates 15% ATR. You are using this for monthly income trade, and this is 10% ATR you will be using for daily weekly income trade. This is 5% ATR you will be using for daily income trade. This is 3% ATR you will be using for hourly income trade. But some people use even 2%, only 2% ATR. You can calculate by using daily ATR, 2% for any stock if you want. But I am recommending 3% instead of 2% daily ATR. I mean weekly, I'm extremely sorry, for hourly income trade. That is your 5 minutes time frame. This is the ATR value you have to use for your stop buffer. What I do, I will keep on scrolling this list down by giving you only few seconds time. Any stock, if you want to get these values, pause the video. After that you can proceed with this video. So, okay. This is the next page. Again moving next. And finally this is the complete list of all the stop buffers. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. I will try to address. Okay, thank you.